Irie friends, welcome back to another update of the chicken shed coop build. Last video I was telling you guys that it didn't unfortunately get a standalone shot of how the structure looked once the siding was up. But this clip kind of gives you, a little side profile of how it did look. So we wanted to paint the chicken shed to essentially be a replica of our house. So you'll see the color that we ended up with for the shed, and if you've seen videos before, you know what color that is. And then for the run, we're kind of going back and forth. So we just decided to firstly just prime it. So that's what the girls and I are working on, is just priming the run. And then Max is working on, painting the trim that he did around the window. And funny enough, he's actually going to have to repaint that after he sprays the shed coop with the final color. So it's kind of funny seeing him just really working on making it perfect, only to have to go ahead and redo that again. So if you guys remember from the last video when we were initially installing the cedar shakes, I was telling you that we were really considering just allowing the cedar shakes to weather and not paint it. When it weathers, it does weather to a gray color, which we do think is nice, but because we want the chicken shed to match our house, which is already painted, we decided to just go the painting route. So the reason why we're considering that really, really hard is because if we decide to paint, this is what we have to do. We have to sand each individual cedar shake in order for the paint to stick to the cedar shake and last much longer. So we just went ahead and did that process. The great thing about it is that we only put cedar shake on the very front and this side of the chicken coop. So we did use something else for the other side in the back. We didn't want to go through this tedious work for just something that you're not even going to see. And then you could see that above the chicken run door that Max opened up, he kind of framed it, and then he added two areas of ventilation on top that he used mesh wire and then framed those as well for ventilation. So this is the screen that you use. What is it called?
Screen.
That's what you look for at the store?
Yeah, like ask for like window screen.
Okay.
You can get a roll. It comes in either vinyl or I guess this is like aluminum or stainless steel. I went with the metal one. Hopefully it doesn't get rusty and stuff.
So we are adding this area because we wanted a little bit more ventilation for the chickens. He already did these two here. He did it really quickly, so I wasn't able to get a video. This is the hole for the chicken door, and then we're gonna do another one here. Nice cut. So keeping on the theme of matching the house, we decided to, well, mostly I decided that painting the run white would be a great idea until now I'm out here having to wipe off the dust that just accumulated in like a few hours since we last painted the prime coat before I paint on the final coat, and then Max is going to be working on the shed. So you could say that the painting is pretty much all completed. My husband was going to just use the paintbrush and paint the shakes the green color so that it wouldn't get on the white trim, but after doing it for a little bit, he decided to switch that up and just go ahead and spray it, and now we have some overage on the white. So now he's gonna come in and bless you. He's gonna come in, bless you, and repaint the white trim around everything. He also decided to go ahead and paint the bottom this nice green as well. I think that looks really nice. I don't know what we're gonna do for this bottom. Maybe he'll spray it white. I'm not certain.
Painters here. Any questions?
Oh, wait. So yeah, there's a lot of overages, but he's going to get that cleaned up, right? Yeah. But you said you want to keep that roof line white.
Yeah, so I gotta touch up this, all the trim, clean it up nice.
Yeah, everything is looking really good. So after this part is done, we're basically going to be putting in the hardware cloth, and then we're gonna work on the inside for the chicken coop, right?
And the roof.
The roof of the run has to get done, and we're just kind of, we have like maybe a few more days before we have to head out of town, and a week, and we just really wanted to get this done before we had to leave. The chicks are just, you know, stuck in that little area. I feel so bad. Yeah. I was thinking even if we didn't get the inside coop completed, maybe we could just have their stuff in the run area. I don't know what you think about that.
Yeah, I mean, it should be, the weather should be nice.
Yeah.
It'll be all right out here, but I would like to get the coop done before we leave too.
Do you think you'll be able to?
I think so, yeah. We got a week, so.
Okay.
It's doable.
All right. But look at it.
Keep working.
Hey guys, look at this. Hold on, let me turn up the brightness. Did such a good job painting this. The trim looks really nice.
I was gonna ask, do you think I should make the little frames white?
No, I like it where it just
blends in.
Yeah, it blends in really nicely.
Cool.
Let me show you guys the back. This is our little door. Show you guys the back part of it. Oh, we got some green here. That's just dirt. I mean, if you want, maybe just keep this green. I don't know.
No,
whatever.
make it white.
Okay. The back part.
This opens up. Let me open it.
Oh, hold on. Let me get situated so I could.
Okay, yeah. Hold on, I'll find something.
Oh. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, nice. So that's for added ventilation. You guys saw that we added that. We'll cut it out from the inside and then put this, what is this called again? Screen here. But
The screen's already in. It just needs the hardware cloth behind it so that animals can't get in through this.
Yeah, because this feels very like soft and yeah, there's
easily,
no.
They could break into that.
Yeah.
So we'll put hardware cloth behind it to secure it a little more.
Okay. And then this is the roof for the other one. I mean the run. And then here is the other side. You made quick work of the painting. This door, guys. This door is stunning. It looks better than the front door of our house. Like, wow. I feel like now we need to update all the doors around our house because now our shed door looks better than all our other doors. Right, babe?
What's that?
I was just saying that we need to update all the doors around our house because now the shed looks
nicer than our house right now.
Yeah, because look at the shed and then look at the back of our house because the back of the house is not painted.
Show them the front.
Well, the front is not completed either because
it needs touch up too.
It needs touch up and the trim and base color needs to get done. So our priorities are special priorities, chicken priorities.
I mean, yeah, chickens come first.
Yeah. Once again, I did not get a full overview shot of how the chute looked after the painting, but trust me, you guys, it looked amazing. It looks better than our house, like I said before. But the next video, we're going to be putting on the roof for the run. We're also going to be putting in the hardware cloth on the inside of the run, and we're going to have the chickens come and test it out and see how they like it. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, that you have post notification on. These videos are going to be coming out almost every day. Thank you guys again for your continued support. Continue to Irie yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.